folks. The other day I picked up one of these, and let's see, the day before that I picked up one of these suckers, which now I realize is, oh, it's got a bend in it. I don't know. Yeah, it's a little crooked here, but, and I picked up one of those. This one I picked up years ago. This one I picked up way back in the day. It's a Irwin one, so it's not super old. It's a little tiny one. But you know, in my urge to splurge, I picked up another, what do you call it? Crescent wrench. So this is a Milwaukee. It is a Crescent. So we're gonna cut this open here. I don't have any grinders or any fancy tools to cut this open with, so maybe. Oh wait, let me try something instead. Hold on. Let me. You know what? I'll do it next time. So I'll just put this in here, like so. I think I already did a review on these things. Yeah, you want to slice your hand off? The best way to do it is on this plastic. Not even with the knife, with the frickin' plastic. So anyway, I picked up another mini vice grip. So this is the. What do we got here? I would think that. They'll look kind of different. These one, this one, and this one all look the same. Like literally look the same. This looks, the jaws look a little weird. I don't know if you can see this, but the jaws are quite chunky. And these ones, the Milwaukee is kind of shiny too. These ones have, well, this one's an older one. And this has got a little bit of a shine. But I don't like these little knurled things. They keep using them on. I wonder if the company that makes these is the same ones that make, see the little swirly knurly here? Well, it's very similar to this. And look, see, they both got the little thing in there. They're both like that. So is the Chinesium plant? These are definitely made in China or Taiwan. China. Apex Tool Group. So that's a bigger vice. And the Milwaukees have this. This has got the little plastic spoon down here. So the old vice grips, these are genuine Peterson vice grips. Have just a pin in here. These have rivets. So these are riveted over. It's a rivet. It's a rivet. They are all exactly the same size. Are they the same size? I don't know. Let's see. They're all pretty much from this little thing here on. They're all the exact same size. So, yeah. Hey, why not? And anyway, to make even more fun here, I'll put these out here. I'll show you. I picked up, this one right here was $6.99. If you bought it in the loose packaging, it was $7.99. I also bought one of these. Why? I couldn't resist. My son likes tools. I'll give it to him. Tractor Supply. Made in, oh, look, should buy Tractor Supply. Made in China. Who would have known? Who would have known? Made in China. So, in order to be the dude, Mr. Locking Pliers, I have to buy Locking Pliers and review them all. So, hey. And in all honesty, these are pretty cool. We'll find out how shit they are though in a minute. Sometimes these things are not very good. There's two. So these ones, little tiny ones. Believe it or not, they keep making it. They keep making these tiny ones better and better, which is kind of funny. Those two little pointy ones. Let's see if how they close and line up. Actually, they line up pretty good. These things. Usually the tips don't line up. Oh yeah, that one lines up good. Usually when you open and close them like this, they don't line up. This one's kind of right on the money. They're a little bit off. They're always a little bit off, but some are just completely scrap. These ones, see. Usually this thing, like when they're shitty, they just kind of wobble side to side, no close. But if you look at the old vice grip ones here, they're like, the vice grip are longer. These ones got a little short, cheaper nose on them. And then these things, believe it or not, are actually seriously useful. These little clamps here like this, these are very useful. You can use them for sheet metal and all kinds of stuff. Especially got a tight little place you want to do a thing. I can use these all day long. These ones I find for me are rarely used, even though I have them. And these I have probably, you know, 80 pairs of these things. Like, look, I have how many here? Look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, at least 20 pairs here. So they were $9.99. Couldn't resist. I mean, hey, look. Plus I have a great neck pair, which the bolt is non-original. Because, you know, you never know when you need a great neck pair with a bolt that just sucks. And these, I have a feeling, are made by Vicegrip. The older Vicegrip, I should say, because if you look at the older Vicegrip, they have the little tiny logo there. Like these ones. They're really tiny. And can't forget the, what do you call it? Gripso. These ones. I have these ones over here. And when in a pickle, don't forget the, what is this called? Oh, these are the Seymour Smith ones, which popped out of alignment here on me. These ones are really awesome. Don't forget the Seymour Smith ones. Yep. And then the Gripso. These are really cool because you can open and close them one hand. See? One-handed action. See? Ooh, look at that. So when you're got your arm stuck in something, you can just... I already reviewed those. And then for smaller jobs, you have, just in case, got to get a BMC set up. These are, what, number 9, I think? BMC? Where does it say that? Yeah, these are BMC number 9. And don't forget, you got bigger Vicegrips here. I have 2 of these on the bench at all times. And I also picked up a set of these, the smaller ones, so just in case, because you never know when you need those. And of course, on the bench, I have a set of these Vicegrip multi-tool, just sitting around the bench here, just in case. And in case that's not enough, I got this old school set here. See, one of the probably the last made in America jobs, the original. Oh, and then I also, just in case there's more to be done, I have another BMC number 9. These I like because of the, if you want to grab like 2 little, just a piece of sheet metal, it's got a nice flat thing. And if that's not enough, I have the BMC number, what is this, number 7? These, which are just as good. These are made in Binghamton, New York. I like them. So yeah, I always keep a few Vicegrips handy in case you never know what's going to happen. Because, hey, what is wrong with Vicegrips? Or, I shouldn't call them all Vicegrips. We don't want to insult the original Peterson Vicegrips. But yeah, I always have a pair handy. And I got, on the side here, I have about, I don't know, 30 pairs of, what do you call it? These things, but the longer ones. I have some Milwaukees and some other, and a whole basket very full of other things. So, if anybody has any questions. Oh, I also have some whale tool ones and a few other ones. I'm still hunting down some other ones. And I picked up some newer ones. I don't know where they went. So, where did I put them all? I don't know where they are. But anyway, if you like locking pliers, I will be reviewing locking pliers probably till I end this channel one day. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click a button. Thanks for watching.